The company's gone through pretty much an evolution over the last 30 years. We've been in business since 1960. We used to build cabs for John Deere. We have basically transformed the business into one of the leading outdoor power equipment providers in zero rate of steering mowers, called the Hustler and the Big Dog lines. The plant has expanded over the years. We currently have over 750 people working there. We sell globally. We have 1,800 dealers worldwide. We also, our biggest customers outside the U.S. are Australia and New Zealand. But to support them and have the agility that we need, we're engaging a lot of our suppliers. Of course, Hyspeco is one of our key ones. They do a lot of sub-assembly work for us that helps us be able to build more product through the facility space that we have and really support our customers globally and able to meet their demand and meet their needs. Our mowers have a great reputation of being very reliable, robust, and very just clean design. And I think that comes with working with key suppliers like Hyspeco, because Hyspeco is involved in a lot of new product development right at the get-go, and we're looking to work with Parker Hannifin, which Hyspeco represents. And the fact that they're local and just down the street, they provide a great service to us and able to help us beat the competition through innovation and just having a product that really nobody else has. Hyspeco does a lot of sub-assembly work for us. They do it here in Wichita, but more importantly, they bring it right out to the line, and they're real good about coming by and checking with us and making sure the quality's there and that we don't have any issues. Hyspeco is really good about providing warehouse space and stocking material and parts when we need it, and the ability just to ship it in when we need it. Hyspeco provides us all those areas, basically from engineering to working with our supply chain group to operations. It's the linkage that goes on there that really provides the value that we need. It's all about quality, reliability, and just best overall value. And Hyspeco helps us provide that to our end customer.